Changing the time and date on your RT520 series thermostat. Please use the following procedure. 1. Press one of the buttons to wake the thermostat. The screen will illuminate. 2. Press the cog button, first of the buttons from the left. Schedule will be displayed on the screen. 3. Using the arrow buttons, scroll until time date is shown, then press the tick button to confirm. 4. Time is now displayed, and either 12 or 24-hour will be flashing below. 5. Use the arrow buttons to choose either 12 or 24-hour clock, then press tick to confirm. 6. You will now see the hour flashing. Using the arrow buttons, choose the correct hour, and then press tick to confirm. 7. Minutes will now flash. Using the arrow buttons again, choose the correct minutes, then press tick to confirm. 8. Next you will see the year flashing on the display. Using the arrow buttons, choose the correct year, and then press tick to confirm. 9. You will now see the month flashing. Using the arrow buttons, choose the correct month, and then press tick to confirm. 10. You will now see the day flashing. Using the arrow buttons, choose the correct day, and then press tick to confirm. 11. You will now see display at the top of the screen, and the days of the week flashing below. Using the arrow buttons, choose either the days of the week, or numbers representing the days of the week with one being for Monday. Then press tick to confirm. 12. The Daylight Saving Setting, DST, will now be displayed. Use the arrow buttons to select if you want DST on, or off, and then press the tick button to confirm. This concludes the time and date procedure. For details on setting the time and date and other features for your thermostat, please see our technical website www.salus-tech.com.